Good morning, student. Now today we are going to learn and write letter O in English IMAX book. Okay, now open the book. In previous video we learn and wrote letter N. Now today we are going to learn and trace letter O. So page number 2727. Letters capital O and small o. Sound of O is O. Sound. This is capital O. Small o. Says O. O as in orange. On of O, on of O. O for orange, O for oil, O for ox, capital O, small o. Now we will trace capital O. In three lines, we have to trace capital O. From up to come down, again go up. In three lines, we have to trace. From pink line, we have to start. Second number blue line, we have to come down, again go up and join. This is capital O, capital O, O, orange, O, ox, O, oil. So this is capital O. Now small o in between two blue line, write down, trace capital O. Like this you have to trace. Sound of O is O. O orange, O oil, O ox. Now this is the picture of oil. Write down capital O here. This is the picture of ox. Ox means bell. Write down here small o. Okay. Now turn the page. Let us revise. Page number 2828. Let us revise capital K, small k to capital O, small o. Write the capital letters in the four lines. Now here all are capital letters. Now we have to write down here capital same. Okay, like this. Make first standing line and upward slanting line, downward slanting line. So this is capital K. Now this is small k. Draw standing line, and on second number blue line draw sleeping line. So this is capital L. Now capital M, draw standing line in three line, then right slanting line, left slanting line, standing line, capital M, capital N, standing line, slanting line, standing line, capital N. Now capital O. Okay, like this you have to write down. Write the small letters in the words. Now we have to write down in small letter. Which picture is this? This is key. क्या ये key? Key means चाबी. Now write down here small letter K. K-E-Y, key. Now this is the picture of leaf. Write down small L. L-E-A-F, leaf. Write down small M. This is the picture of mango. So write down small M. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Then this is the picture of nail. Write down small n. N-A-I-L, nail. Now this is the picture of oil. Write down O, small o, O-I-L, oil. Okay student, like this you have to write down. Now we will write down in 4-line English notebook. Now open the notebook. In previous video we learned and wrote letter N. Okay, letter N. Now today we are going to learn and write letter capital O and small o. Write on the top, write capital and small letter O, capital O and small o, and in corner you have to write down today's date. Okay, so write down on the top capital O, and in between blue line write down small o, capital O, small o, capital O write down in 3 line, and small o write down in 2 between blue line. Write down very properly. Draw a circle. Okay, so this is capital O and this is small o. Sound of O is O. Sound of O is O. O, orange. O, ostrich. Ostrich is white bird. Okay. O, octopus. Octopus is water animal. Capital O, small o, ocean. Capital O, small o. Like this you have to draw capital and small o. Capital O, small o. Sound of O is O. Sound of O is O. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Sound of O is O. O, orange. O, ostrich. O, octopus. O, oats. O, ocean. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Write down in 3 lines capital O's. Draw a circle very properly, and in between 2 blue lines draw circle, small circle. So this is capital O and this is small o. Okay, write down slowly but neatly and properly. Sharp your pencil first and then write down capital O and small o, and revise again and again letters. It means you will learn. आपको बार बार क्या करना है, रिवाइज करना है और लेटर्स को बोलना है. ओके, वे ऑब्जेक्ट्स के साथ में ही आपको बोलना है. कैपिटल ओ, small o, capital O, small o. The sound of O is O. Sound of O is O. O, ostrich. O, ocean. O, orange. O, octopus. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. Okay student, you have to write down 2 page, 1 page here and another page here. 2 page you have to write down, repeat in again and again later. Okay student, and click the photo and send on the group.